I first started Arkonik 12 or so years ago on my drive with a shonky old 110 V8, I had no real idea as to what I was going to embark upon. And Arkonik's been a huge adventure for me. There was no manual for starting the business which is your Arkonik, no manual for stripping a Defender apart and building it back. Arkonik has a very unique offering. It provides for a heritage version of Defender 110, 90, 130, but it also provides for a very different product which incorporates modern engineering as well, should you so wish. You may decide to do something completely different, and this is a unique opportunity with classic Defender ownership. It's in kit form. These are hand-built vehicles. We can remove one thing and put something completely different in. We're interested not exclusively in leading the way with Defender modernization. We're actually interested in leading the way with Defender heritage and its protection. We've proven that you can take 80 guys, 3 square acres of land, a load of factory space, and take an old thing and turn it into something better than brand new again, with most of its constituent parts having been retained. Covid has represented opportunity for this business. It obviously represented threat. It represented an opportunity to press pause and really think deeply and really think at length about this business that had been steadily growing organically and manifestly for over 10 years. And what we focused on during the 3 months or so that we were closed, or down to pretty much a skeleton crew, we were able to take a long, hard look at each of the individuals and the areas in which they were operating. And we were able to consider and begin to give thought to improving upon their experience, their working experience, their day-to-day use of the premises, the way that they can behave efficiently to both undertake their work and improve upon it. So above all else, COVID-19 has given Arkonik a chance to seriously consider the welfare of its staff. I firmly believe that if you put love in the hands of the people who are building these Land Rovers, then you put love into those Land Rovers. Arkonik firmly believes in reinvestment. So for us, this is a real simple model to our business, because every dime, every penny that we make, we insist on putting it right back where it begins again in order to continue to grow and develop its traditional heritage offering, of course, at the same time as looking forwards to other hugely exciting projects, including electrification, including, of course, our brand new premises run by our brand new managing director over in Charleston. Arkonik will continue long into the future. This has been an unusual obstacle, but those were necessary and immediate requirements to ensure that we're still here. That's what makes Arkonik different.